What do you got there? What is that? What do you got in your hand? Is that for the diapers? What are you doing? That's my diaper thing. Give that back. Are you sitting up like a big boy? Are you sitting up like a big boy? Yes, you are. Oh, is that your new toy? Oh, there you go. You did good. We'll try again later.